Some tea?
Yeah.
Thank you.
The tea.
I absolutely just love tea. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome, daughter.
That tea was great. Here's my cup. Yeah, here's my cup. It's gone. I drank it.
Huh?
I drank it
I'm
all.
cooking.
What are you cooking?
Hot sauce.
You're cooking hot sauce? And what else?
I'm cooking food. Hot.
Here's your skillet right here. To put your vegetables in. Don't forget you can cook right there. Take some of your food and cook right there at the fireplace.
I poured that in there, Mom. What's that over there, Mom?
It's just some other kids. Yep.
Okay. Another kid about to eat. Another kid, come here. Come another kid. Another kid about to eat. This is cousin. Cut this.
What you cooking now?
Huh?
What are you cooking now? You're not cooking anything?
No. I'm cooking this.
What you cooking, Iona?
That's it.
Oh, you gonna cook now in the skillet?
Yeah.
Oh, what you about to cook?
That's it. I'm about to pour it out.
Don't pour it all in there. You're gonna make a mess. I told you. You can't fit any more in there. It's full. Put the rest in the basket.
No. I'm putting it here.
They're not all gonna fit, Iona.
Uh-huh.
Nuh-uh.
Uh-huh.
No, they're not.
Uh-huh.
You gonna make them all fit?
My hand.
Huh?
Let's put it in my hand.
You put it in with your hand?
Yeah.
So now they gonna all fit?
Yeah.
Well, you lost a couple over here on the floor you gotta pick up.
Okay.
She's making them all fit.
That fit. I said a fit.
What?
I said a fit.
Look at me.
Huh?
Look at me. What you say?
I said a fit. Show my banana. Somebody. Mom, this for my daughter. Show. Mom, you're my daughter?
Yes.
Okay. That is my daughter. So you call mama? You call mom. You call mama. You call mama. You call mama. You call mama. You call mama.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
You call mom. Mom.
What?
You call mom. Iona.
Mama. I'm hungry.
Okay. Okay. I'm watching rubber around, okay?
Huh?
I'm watching rubber around.
You about to do what?
I'm watching rubber around. Mama, give me that. Mom, give me that.
Please.
Please. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Thanks. Don't build it.
Oh, oops, my bad.
Mommy. Oh, I'm sorry.
No, Iona. Don't know.